Snowy is flying the Swazi flag high. Amanda Dupont stars in BET's new drama series, Isono. Renee Dlamini announces her pregnancy. Who is Titi McBubble's mystery man? Jackie Phamutse claims celebrities use snakes to gain wealth. MTN Spotlight Top 20. Guys, welcome to Gwala 99, where we serve you with all the hottest Eswatini entertainment news you need to know. It goes without saying that local model Snowy Simelane is always on top of her game. She graced the cover of New York magazine Height. The actress and model also revealed that she has landed a role in BET Africa's first everyday series, Isono. We are so proud and we wish her many more opportunities in the future. Also flying the Eswatini flag high is our golden girl Amanda Dupont, who also made a debut on the latest episode of Isono, which aired on Thursday, 5 November. The well-known actress resumed the role of Mamba, who viewers expect will bring a lot of drama to the series. Renee Dlamini is pregnant. The brand influencer and makeup artist announced her pregnancy with a stunning photo shoot. The second-time mom shared pictures of herself donning a white cape, revealing her baby bump, and captioned it, "In these crazy and uncertain times, we got chosen to be parents again. We congratulate you, Han." Titi McBubbles is not one to flaunt relationship goals on social media. But sis definitely left us trails that made us wonder who the mystery man is. She posted a flower bouquet on Instagram with a caption that had us convinced that she may be off the market. Office delivery from someone's son. Who on earth is this guy? Definitely super lucky to date such a gorgeous queen. I guess we'll have to wait for the official reveal. We'll let you have this one, Missy, and we hope it's real this time around. South African former slay queen and award-winning author Jackie Phamutse recently broke the internet with her videos about celebrities who use snakes to attract wealth and fame into their lives. Jackie's video put her on top of the Twitter trends as the video saw the controversial author accusing a couple of celebrities and influencers for using dark magic, as alluding to the late Zimbabwean genius Ginimbi dabbling in such acts. Also, socialite and model Michelle Amuli, popularly known as Mimi Moana.
When you go to a person, otwele, ngenyoka, and they have the snake in their houses, it's either they keep it in a locked room, or it's either they keep it in a coffin.
Multimillionaire Mamkiza was also dragged in, as it is believed she also has a snake because of a video that was posted by her daughter Sbahle Mpisane of a huge snake roaming the floors of her house. Then 10 minutes later, she deleted the alleged video. A big shout out to MTN Spotlight Top 20. On Sunday, the 20 contestants were put on the spotlight in their live performances, and the competition is getting tougher and tighter as the talent search is scaling down to 15. The judges put much emphasis on song choice, contestants singing off-key, and the lack of stage presence for some. Wishing all the contestants the best of luck in this life-changing journey. Catch the spotlight this Sunday on Eswatini TV at 6 p.m. or tune in on any of these platforms. Guys, what do you think about today's top stories? Subscribe and comment on YouTube or social media by following and mentioning us at Gwala99. For the full stories, visit www.gwala99.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.